Hi everyone, welcome back to this brand new unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox 5 1:4 scale model airplanes. 3 from Geminijets, 1 from Jetx and 1 from Phoenix. So let's get started. Here you can see the first model in front of you. It's the United States Air Force Boeing C32 Alpha, made by Geminijets. As you can see, I got this one second hand from another collector. The box is a little bit, a little bit damaged, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, this is a standard Gemini box. You can see the inside. Yeah, it's absolutely awesome model. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. So here you can see the aircraft out of the box, absolutely beautiful. A lot of details have been put in this work. As you can see, a lot of antennas, exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or something like that. Some are painted, some are like really detailed. On the belly we don't have any antennas, but it's looking good so far for this model. So with a little bit more light you can see it a little bit better. It's also quite older model, so that's why I really had to have this one. It will fit nice in my collection. So this is the belly of the aircraft, as you can see. Pretty good. Let's check the other side. And yeah, of course the tail with the registration and the American flag. So yeah, let me know down below what you think about this model, and let's get to the next one. So here you can see the next model in this unboxing. It is the Southwest Boeing 737-700 in the older colors. Please let me know what the name of this livery is exactly, because I can't remember it for now. But I really had to get this model. Yeah, let's start the unboxing. So guys, this is how the model came out of the box. Broken, as you can see. So to give you some background information about how I unbox these models. When I receive them in the mail, I always check them. So I already checked this model out, and it wasn't broken, but now I'm unboxing it for you guys, and it seems like the wing just fell off. So it is a little bit loose, maybe you have to put some glue in, but typical Gemini, of course. A lot of broken models lately I see by other collectors as well. I didn't know this one was broken, so now you know as well. For now it's okay for me. If I put it together like this, you won't see anything about it, broken wing, but maybe it needs some glue and it will be fixed up. So besides that, it's absolutely beautiful model. So yeah, this is the aircraft, the registration being, let's have a look, November 714 Charlie Bravo. The Southwest name and the American flag. So I'm going to fix this model today. So the next model is this kind of different model from Jetx. It's a 1:4 scale, of course. It is the Airlink South African Airways BA 146. It's quite an old model, as you can see over here. I bought it as well from an older collector, and I had to get this one since I flew on this one in 2014, not this exact registration if I'm correct. So yeah, let's unbox the aircraft. So here you can see the aircraft out of the box. It's very small, so I use a lot of zoom on my camera over here to show it to you in detail. Registration is Golf Juliet Echo Alpha Victor. It's registration in the UK, so that's quite special. But yeah, absolutely beautiful model. As you can see, it's quite an old model, and that means that it has a lot of detail in it, and I really like this one. I had to get this one since I flew on it. I never had an opportunity to buy it from the store, and I never saw it available on eBay or something for a decent price. You can see the beautiful South African tail. So yeah, awesome model. Let's put it here in the back. The next model and this unboxing is the Scania Airways Boeing 777-300ER from Phoenix. Registration is 5 Yankee Kilo Zulu Zulu. as well as the older models. I got this one from a collector, and I'm really happy about this one since I really like the Scania 777-300. It flew a lot to Schiphol in the past. So let's unbox the aircraft. And here you can see the aircraft out of the box. Absolutely beautiful model. Second African airline in this unboxing, and I'm really happy about it. This Scania 777 is a masterpiece. I really enjoy this one. As you can see as well, it's an older model, which you can see about the paint and the techniques used to make this one. So yeah, for now, this is the model. Give you guys a close-up. So the cockpit, the Kenyan flags, the SkyTeam logo, the Pride of Africa slogan, and the rest of the aircraft with this beautiful tail, and the 777 or Boeing 777-300ER name as well on it. The bottom of the aircraft, you can see the bottom of the aircraft with the registration below the left wing, and of course the 12 main landing gear wheels with some antennas over here, and the Phoenix name. So yeah, this is the Scania 777-300ER. If you have any questions about it, please let me know down below. So yeah, let's get to the final model in this unboxing. The final model in this unboxing is the Boeing Airbus A321neo from Geminijets. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. So here you can see the model out of the box. Beautiful model. As you may know, Boeing has been bankrupt for a couple of years and has been replaced by Play Air. So I think as well that this model or this aircraft is now used by Play Air under a different registration, of course. So this registration is Tango Foxtrot Sierra Kilo Yankee, and it's a Neo, of course. You can see it in a little bit more detail. It's a beautiful model, of course, and with a lot of paint, purple paint. So nowadays you see a lot of aircraft with only white and the tail painted in the logo. So I'm happy to see that some airlines paint the aircraft fully to give it a nice look. So for now, this is the end of the unboxing. If you have any questions about my models or where I get them or what my collection is like, please let me know down below. In the future, I will make a new update about my full collection because it changed a lot in the past year. So stay tuned for that. For now, have a good day and see you next time. Bye.